Hey Malaysia, Emmanuel here, and today we're going to talk about how much insurance do I actually need to buy. Alright, and this is a follow-up video from my last one, why you buy insurance. In that video we mentioned 3 reasons why you should buy insurance: debt cancellation, income protection, and legacy building. Let's start with the debt cancellation first, okay? So, let's say you are a business owner, or you have a study loan, or you have debt, you just have debt, right? You should have enough insurance to say that when you go, all this debt is wiped. Wouldn't it be nice? Any business you had, any property investment that you made, that when you go, you leave everything clean slate, nice and clean. People don't have to worry about repaying them, or the bank coming for foreclosure, or your debtors knocking on the door demanding money from your wife. Don't have to think about that. If you have those type of debt, your insurance should be able to wipe that out. So that's debt cancellation, all right? And that depends on person to person, all right? And then we go to the third one first, it's legacy building. Now, legacy building, I'm sure you have friends or relatives that you know that left somebody a lot of money. And because this family inherited a lot of money, their quality of life went up. Not only did their quality of life went up, eventually, subsequently, it was possible for their generations to follow to continue to build on a good foundation. That's legacy money. You can leave money to certain individuals that you want to bless, that you want to take care of. In fact, if you wanted to leave for old folks homes, or orphanages, or charity works that help single moms or orphans or widows, you can do that too. All right, and however you want to give, that's up to you, because that can go to karma, that can go to sedekah, your call. But let's focus on the most basic right now, which is income protection. Now, I'm a father of 2, wife, sole breadwinner, right? When I go, somebody still has to pay rent, somebody has to pay education fees, somebody has to keep the lights on, right? So when I go, insurance will settle the gap that's created when I go, the income gap, all right? And there's a rule of thumb for this. And this rule of thumb comes from a book called 28,000 by Dr. Sanjay Tolani. He is a very smart man, law PhDs, especially in finance and insurance. And the rule of thumb is very simple, is for life insurance, you need 10 times your annual income. And for income protection due to critical illness or disability, you need 5 times your annual income. Let me explain this why. Again, myself, if I go tomorrow, my family would be able to sustain the current lifestyle for 10 years. Okay? Now, I'm sure you heard stories, you read Facebook saying, husband died, suddenly the wife and kids are out of the house. They couldn't pay because the bank foreclosed the house. There were no relatives, right? And they started begging for money. I don't want to put my family in that situation. Neither should you. Okay? That's why we need to take care of our families. And so, 10 years of annual income, right? So let's say you make 20,000 a month. 20,000 a month is 240,000 a year, which turns out to 2.4 million for 10 years. When you go and insurance pays you 2.4 million to your spouse, your kids, do you think they'll be settled? They'll be covered? Of course. In fact, my wife doesn't have to remarry, they won't have to beg, my kids will go to college. All right? 5 years income protection for disability and disease. That is because top 3 in Malaysia is stroke, heart attack, and cancer. All right? Depending on the severity, the time to recover is also very different. Now, I have a friend who was car accident, which is the 4th killer, but spinal column injury, disabled, I think waist down. Depression alone took 18 months. And then physiotherapy took another year. So in that time, his family was still depending on his income. His kids, thank God, finished college already. But because of insurance, he was able to sustain his lifestyle, pay for physiotherapy, and get back on his wheelchair, on his feet, get back on his feet again. And now he's even better. He's doing better than he was. All right? And that just proves that how insurance can help you protect your family in times of crisis. Now, and we are in a time of crisis right now. COVID-19 is nothing to sneeze at. Okay? And look, I just want people to be safe. Every time I read a Facebook story saying Please donate for my child's operation. Please help my father die. You know, I don't want that to happen to my family or your family. Okay? So, know what you have. If you do not know what you have, give me a call. Number will be down there with my email. We will do a financial analysis for you for your insurance. If you have no insurance, give me a call more urgently and we'll come up with a plan suitable for you. How much is suitable? You should have 5 to 10% of your income should go to insurance. Okay, 5 to 10% of your income should go to insurance. All right? And okay, how much does it cost? For me, 38-year-old, ringgit 1 million life insurance would cost me 1,280 ringgit. 1,200 ringgit per year. Okay, and I'm covered for that 1 year term life insurance. 1 year, anything happens to me this year, these 12 months, family gets 1 million bucks. All right. Medical cards, how much do they cost? 38-year-old again. If you're older, it's more expensive. If you're younger, it's cheaper. It's for $500,000 per annum medical card. It costs 3 ringgit 87 cents per day. All right, which is 1/3 of your cappuccino at Starbucks. That's cheap for peace of mind, for knowing that my family is going to be taken care of, for knowing that I can still go to work, drive, and not worry about an idiot hitting me or dying in the street. Don't have to worry about those things. Buy yourself peace of mind. Okay? That's the end of my video. I hope you found that information valuable to you. If you like what you saw and you want to see more, please support me on Instagram by following me and subscribing on YouTube and liking it. And also hit that notification bell if you want to see more videos. But most importantly, be safe. If you do not know what you have, you don't have it. Give me a call, send me an email. We'll go through your policies that you have. We'll do an analysis. If you don't have it, give me a call now. We'll get you something now. Yes, you still can buy COVID-19. I don't even have to see you. We can do it on Zoom. Done. All right? This is Emmanuel here. Take care. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.